Hey, what's up, everybody? I just wanted to thank everyone for voting and, taking the time and voting for Uncle Kevin and I for the Canadian National Championships. But there is 2 days left. Tomorrow morning until 1 p.m. Eastern Time, the votes are still on. So please, if you have a few moments, could you just go on the link that's in the description or attached to Facebook or Instagram and just vote one more time or vote for us, because it's Go Team BC. Every vote counts, and Kevin and I really want to win this. We didn't get the chance to do everything we wanted, but we sure gave it our best, and we just want to do it for BC. So help us bring it home. Thanks so much for everyone who votes, and hopefully everybody enjoys the show here up in Fort St. John. So thank you for taking the time to vote too. If you have already voted, I really appreciate it. All you guys, I don't ask for much for my page, and I make a lot of content. So if I've helped you guys in any way and you haven't voted yet, please vote and vote again. Thanks. You.